Hi, my name is Lex. Today I am going to show you guys how to do a Tinkercad, but first set up a Tinkercad classroom so you guys can have your students design 3D prints. And the reason why we do a classroom setting is it allows all your students' prints to be under the one page and easier access to their designs instead of them sending them to you through a link. So we're first going to go into tinkercad.com and we have the address right up here. If you haven't created already an account for you to use to teach 3D design, I highly recommend doing that before you start making the classroom so you guys can get comfortable with how to do the platform. So I have already created a class, a Tinkercad. So I'm just going to sign in using my username and password. And anybody over the age of 13 can do this. In another session, I will show you how to make an account, but this is so you guys can do your classroom setting. Okay, so here is every time you sign into Tinkercad, it will have your past designs. And today we're going to focus on classes. So to do that, you create a class. I'm going to pull from one of these, but you open up this window and give your classroom a name, grade level, and subject, and create. The name is the most important part. They still require you to do the grade and subject. Nothing has to be exact for those. So we're going to actually go into this one. And for this one, we have, I already created 2 students. If you have the list of the names, you add the students with your names. I generally just do student 1 through how many computers I have, which I normally have about 15 computers. And it generates a nickname that they will use for their class setting. So we are going to I'm going to write down this nickname for the student to demonstrate how to get into their platform once you create. And then you have the code that you need so they can get specifically into this group. So what I'm going to do is we are going to sign in again for Tinkercad with joining the classroom. So here we put our code. I had already, there we go. And you say that's me. And then maybe the same problem I was having before. Hold on. Sorry, this was doing it to me before. And this is how I fixed it. I signed out and did join the class like this. And there we go, because that's what I wanted. I wanted them to do where you put the code in. So it's best to, you'll create the code and then on the computers, you'll sign into Tinkercad, but do the join class option, have them put in the code. I generally write that on the board and then join with the nickname that you gave them. I don't generally have them do email. And that will take you straight to the platform where they can start designing. Generally, there's about a 5-minute lag time. So I have them play with the platform as we're getting all the other students signed up. So you can have them go into this design element and start playing with the shapes and seeing what they can do just to get a little more comfortable. And then once you get everybody settled, you can start building. So that is how you create a Google Classrooms. If you have any questions, my name is Alexis Cole. You can send me an email at alexis.cole@pgcmls.info. Thank you guys for joining.